from the local news headquarters in Cebu. Broadcasting live from Reroute Studios. This is The Not So Late Show with Jason Monteclar. Because we take sides, never neutral, never silent. The Not So Late Show with Jason Monteclar.
Hi, maayong buntag nimo diha, Vice Mayor Mike Rama. Kumusta sir ang imong adlaw? Kumusta imong Lunes?
Okay, balo ka after the whole week of being focused sa ato ang Central Visayas Storm Rollout Plan sa City. Murag naatay gamayng hayatos. Kay wa man moabot ang vaccine in all the vaccination site nato karon. Robinson, UC, SM, hopefully naputang ko ditong tarpaulin nga vaccine has not arrived.
Vice, unsay mga nag-una nga nakita nimo nga rason nganong wa dayon ta ka secure aning mga necessary nga bakuna? As you said, nalangan ta.
From the national government.
Okay. But let me get to the point, Vice. Let me get straight to the point. Naatay kwarta o wala para ikapangumpra ni?
We already have agreed in the council 500 million.
Okay.
And then of course what has been somehow na allocated do nato at supported money is 400 million. Now in the couple of days naaigingan na ito og supplemental budget.
Okay.
Then we will add up additional 100 million to really make it 500 million.
Ang nanggawas ron sa balita nga ang Dakbayan Sugbo nagplano nga magdungag tag bakuna pero adto na to kumprahon sa India kining gitawag nila Covovac. Now, Vice, di ka mo ma-issue ani nga tuan na inunta mangumpra aning Covovac dito sa India nga sila mismo ron gidibal pag maayo gani hundreds and hundreds of Indians are dying every day tungod sa ilang third wave nga na-experience sa coronavirus or sa COVID-19. Now, di ka ma-question ang inyong wisdom aning anong didto pagid sa India, dili baka ma-question pod ang efficacy aning mao nga bakuna. Unsa may inyong guidelines nga gigamit ani?
First, kanang Covovac really came from Secretary Carlito Galvez.
Okay.
We're talking about months ago. The process that went through, gikan sa letter of intent, duhaman na ka letter of intent, actually, AstraZeneca o sa Covovac.
Okay.
And then, unfortunately, ang AstraZeneca, we've been wanting to have somebody to appear in the council, and they're not practically available because I think ang ilasang supply during that time have already been, it's a known fact, na napo kabuo country globally. Ipang kuha ang ingan na itong available vaccines. And therefore, dili sila that time quite open and ready na makikistorya niya na sila available pa for us to kanang top. Ikaduha, ang sulod na to because ato man go through with the process. Kay ang Moderna was being agreed nga ang iyang requirement sa pila ka degrees.
Yes.
Dili kaayo siya adaptable sa ato ang nasod as well as katong ginganlan og the other one na requirement sa mga gamaliya mating ito. So therefore, we already focus niya ang J&J at that time wa say EUA. So diri na ni focus per recommendation in my conversation during the time with Secretary Galvez.
Okay.
Ako pa yung gisulti to, gi-highlight na ko nila nga, ay may tagay og 3,000. kay 18,000 naman ang gi-allocate sa Visayas. Nga 5,000 guto, 10,000 guto ang gihatag primero. Nga 5,000 will be kanang inoculated kay ang 5,000 ana for the second dose. Mo na nga you would just be wondering kay karon based sa mo ang registration almost niabot ni-register og 30,000 kabuok nga mga senior citizen.
Vice, unsa may inyong game plan ani for the next 6 months? Do you think na unsa inyong game plan? Pila ka buk inyong target? Unsa inyong mga milestone? Inyo ba nang quarterly? Inyo ba nang pila magid inyong gustong bakunahan? Pila ma-cover na?
We are already having a figure of 700,000.
Okay.
That bring us to substantial level of herd immunity.
Okay.
Now, i-multiply nimo nag 2 kay so those duha man ka dosage na. So that will bring you to have a need of 1.4 million nga vaccine. At kami diri sa City of Cebu na naman mi daan gibuhat yun, aron dili mi paninglan asa na ang among intervention.
Yeah.
So nami daan 500. Pero kuwang pa na siya. Kay ako ang gitan-aw kung ang arrival of vaccine sa national will be dependent upon how available also shipment coming from outside source. Unya, how they will consider us as a priority. So we have to look at with practicability.
So you mean to say that we are still we are at the mercy of the national government? Naanatay kwarta, matud pa nimo available na. O niya, intact na ang atong organization, well organized na ang Cebu City. But in the long run, mag-agad ra gyud sa mga kabubuton nila sa national.
May sa national. Unsay available sa gawas jud.
Sa gawas gyud.
Sa gawas jud. Yes, because we are not oblivious. We've been always connecting and we are also getting through Facebook, Viber, Messenger on what has been going around the whole world. Now, ang pinaka-importante, ang national government provided me through Secretary Rocky ilahang kalendar. In their calendar, likely of which kami ni Mel Feliciano, we were comparing notes at the outset, no? Because I was telling him, we have to be sensitive nga the timetable kung mahimo before October. Kay October is already a political season.
Yes.
Why? Because that's the filing of the certificate of candidacy.
Sir, unsay inyong qualification day, by the way, ha, sa mga tig-tudyok anang bakuna, vaccinators, according to you? Kay
that is a very very good question.
Kay kinsa man kunoy mo kumpiyansa nga tudyukan ka ng bakuna nga dili ba mga qualified, way background sa di ba, way background sa medical nga mga aspeto. So unsa inyong
importante kay na kay that level kanang area diha, it's being focused now for multiplier, no? Ang assign ana si Wybin Briones. Dr. Wybin Briones amro na. Unya together with our another deputy kaning task force leader, Dr. Peter Mangkaw. Ako ginagipurma sila niya with CMS, Cebu Medical Society being present, and then all medical schools for that matter, medical schools, they'll have to be a part of this, and even Philippine Nurses Association, because no matter what, daghan kayong available just in our midst, but they have not probably been tapped and they have not offered themselves to volunteer. Kaya importante mag-anidong from an organizational point of view nga di man mahimong mo rely rami sa DOH, sa City Health Department, or pila ka buok udyok diha nga mga volunteers. Unya, we're talking of 700,000 heads.
Mm.
And that is 1 times 2, that is 1.4 million.
Mm.
Now, kung gusto kag specific period, ang amo ang istoryahan ana, that if only vaccine will be available,
Mm.
that should be finished in 6 months.
Mm.
Mao gina siya the maximum.
Mm.
Now, of course, we've already have commenced the rollout, but practically, if you talk about numbers, probably we already have 30,000 or so nga na inoculated, combine na sa health kaning mga frontliners, which they are called health care workers, plus senior citizen. Pila ra man na sa kapersentintong sa 700,000. So, precisely, really time is of the essence. Availability of supply is a must. Number 3, multiplier should be needed.
Sir, can you foresee anything that is somehow kanabang making it compulsory? Murabag mahug na nga mapugsanay na ning pagpabakuna unya puhon kay lagi nagdali ta nga mabalik na sa normal ang Cebu City. Unya naa na gani mga establishmento ron. I don't know if aware ba ka nga ila nang gipakanaugan og mando ang ilang mga trabahante nga in a period of time kinahanglan makapabakuna na sila kay if dili magkompromiso ang ilahang panarbaho. Ang Cebu City, sir, muuyon ba ta ana or do na tay power nga mo impuhos og ingon ana?
You know, that is a very ticklish intervention. And that will even require Supreme Court making a final decision. Because I always remember, that's why they have misinterpreted my position before, bata ka pa. And I was still a counselor. And being a lawyer, and a president of the Lawyers Association, mga young lawyers before. Because a human resource practitioner, importante kaya ng privacy sa tao. Because it is also constitutionally protected.
Yeah.
You know, you cannot be just intruded by any Tom, Dick, and Harry. And you have to invoke very basic kanang imuhang freedom of choice.
Yes.
Now, that freedom of choice cannot just be prostituted, and there should be no act of sacrilege ana. Now, however, hinumdum ko sa una kay may pagkaisog man ko nga presidente sa young lawyers. After the martial law, gibalik man gyapon nilang military checkpoint. So what did I do? I made an issue out about it. And definitely, it was even printed in the newspaper. Now, having to see military checkpoint at that time, and I'm talking about 80s, would bring you some semblance of martial law.
So baka sir, nangutana ko ang advice because there was one time, in fact, aware ka ni ana, kitang tanan aware, nga ang gobyerno, ang katong giingon nga Tri-City was made to purchase ni adto bang inumdum kato mga rapid testing kits.
I remember.
And then nahug naman gud to nga murag na pressure to ang mga nagpaluyo ni adto kay lagi daghan kay sila gikumpra unya kinahanglan gyud nga ma-maximize magamit to mutong niabot gid sa point nga mura bag nahug nag mandatory ang pagpa-testing. Munang mangutana ko ni ani kay basi mga pressure sad mo nga nangumpra mog daghan og bakuna ya basin unyag mga bahaw na sa inyong stockroom so mabutas punto ba nga pugsanay.
Ako lang gitan-aw kanang pugsanay. I will be the first one to be against it. Now we have to look beyond. It's easily that there will be some local government unit that might be ready to have it. And then Cebu City has it. And then we can always bring the program Big Brother program. As we call during time of calamities or mga ginganan of disaster. We've always been of the helping hand. of the helping hand, especially those who may not be able to afford it, but are very much willing.
Niingon kag ganina nga nanginahanglan tag mga at least mga 1.4 ba to million nga mga doses
Yes.
para nga makuha ginato ang ato ang projection.
Yes.
Okay. Kwarta na. Dako na nga kwarta nga
Kwarta.
gikinahanglan. Unya,
Kwarta yun.
asa man ta na i-source out ng kwarta ha? Wa ba kay plano diha nga hangyoon sila bilya nga di sa tamayad utang bi aron ato iunahog palit bakuna.
Sa tinuoray,
Mhm.
we have to be proactive and
Mm.
imaginative. Okay?
Mm.
Now, I've been looking at the figure maybe to maximum
Mm.
the need of 2 billion pesos.
Sus Maria. Mm.
Okay? 2 billion na.
2 billion.
2 billion na kaya mo nang i-compute. Kana kung ato yung ipabakuna ang tanan 700,000 o kita'y mo gasto
Yes.
ang syudad.
Oh.
Kung magdali mismo ang requirement ng ihatag sa national, sa ending na to ana,
Mm.
we will be able to probably pilay ilahang ma-assure na to in terms of allocation ba, Jason? Kay mingo ron sila, parihaan ni ron nga tigis-tigis.
Mm.
Kasi mahitabo na to.
Mm.
Asa matamutan na og economic recovery kung ang atong vaccine dili substantial.
Mm.
So, mura tagahuwat og siyam-siyam. So, part sa ako ang una-una nga we have to be thinking about unahon tani kay health is wealth.
Mm.
Okay?
Mm.
Now, we must be thinking kung naatay mga utang, for example, ang utang pagkabayaran man na,
Yeah.
pero pag una yun, di man mahimo nga mamayad tag utang ang atong mga tao sa siyudad Sugbo, maghinay-hinay og kamang padung sementeryo. Kung di na mao. So we have to be prioritizing. And that's precisely the reason why I wish na aramatay gustong mahuman nga hospital.
Yeah.
Mao na nga karon amo arong tan-awon nga ato agyoning tutukan. Ay kami sad sa konseho sa Bayel mag-meeting na sad mi nga amo nang tan-awon nga dili may maawahi. Kinahanglan ka ng 500 million ato na nang maproseso aron makaabot na ta og kontrata. So all of these are possibilities, Jason.
Even to the point nga ihimo mo resolution nga mag-moratorium sa ta sa ato ang amortization gas SRP.
Ang anong dili man mahimo sana. Kay ang importante na to kanang land bank dako naman na nakwarta nato.
Sir, by the way, natubag naman tong pangutana no ni Konsehal Nestor Archibal nga nganong sa tawag term sheet raman mo na nga ang gipangita ron
Yes.
para wam tay PO.
Supplies agreement.
Oh.
Dili ka kaabot og even releasing money kung wa pa kay supply agreement.
Oh.
Mao dyan siya. Yeah, that is holding true also in other LGUs.
Oh.
Kanang supply agreement mo na siya gingalan na to og pirmahanan sa pharmaceutical, sa IETF, DOH, o sa LGU. Kinahanglan kay na siya. And di sa inig sign mo sa supply agreement, na siya kaliwaan, right away you have to put 50% of the amount they would be requiring you from the total.
Okay.
More or less, ki tagaan na o ganing what we call leniency.
Okay.
Leniency sa requirement because of the pandemic. Dili pareho sa ka-stricto kung may istorya tagwa pa pandemic.
Yeah. So, nakoy last two questions nimo before I let you go.
Go ahead.
Yeah. First is, are you willing to suggest dito sad kang Mayor Labella or diya sa City Council to follow suit sa gibuhat ni Gobernador Gwen Garcia nga iyang gihangyo ang mga mayor dito sa kalungsuran nga di na lang pamultahon ang mga lumulupyo nga madakpan ba nga di mo sunod sa basic health protocol sama sa pagsulong og face mask.
Kibaw ka, Jason, you look back,
Mm.
I've never into what I call punishment.
Yeah.
Never that I am also into exacting, especially kanabang bringing people to get money out of their pocket. Ang among mabuhat, which I will bring it to the council,
Mm.
is really to bring to the attention of the mayor.
Mm.
And he can easily and perhaps bring an executive pronouncement of maximum tolerance.
Yeah. Sir, last question na ko nimo for this day. Are you still in line with your previous statements that si Mike Rama will no longer be running for the same position?
I did not say that,
Wa ba ka nisulti lang? Di na kumudagan og Vice Mayor?
but I did not say that nga di ko modagan. Ano, I have said that.
Yes.
Tingnan nga,
Mm.
mo ang grupo God.
Mm.
And then we were very clear
Mm.
nga sa basketball pa,
Mm.
tanaw na to ng ilang kamadas pikas.
Pikas. Sabi o PK.
Basketball.
Oh. Mm.
Yeah, of course.
Mm.
Kami sa mong grupo, sa sinagol mi,
Mm.
but I'm telling you, Keniron,
Mm.
nothing to worry nga mabungkag ang mong grupo, mabungkag basta ang amahan, sakripisyo.
Oh.
Nya ako may amahan.
Mm.
Di man ko gusto nga binisiya gali nga
Tibulaag.
magkawatak-watak.
Mm.
Precisely. Tibulaag.
Mm.
Magkatibulaag. Therefore, what is the best combination?
Mm.
And then we make it sure that it is a combination that's not only competitive,
Mm.
it should be a combination that victory should be in the offing.
Mm.
Muna ako adiha.
Mm.
Being the head, I will have to bring and I will follow the statement of former Mayor Alvin Garcia
Mm.
that the only formula that will bring us not only competitive
Mm.
but will always bring us an assurance
Mm.
of victory within our reach
Mm.
is the US. Kanang us.
Us.
Kami rin Musulman, us.
Mm.
Pero ang meaning ana unity nya letter S is sacrifice.
So, ultimate sacrifice.
Definitely, I was telling them,
Mm.
and I was very clear,
Mm.
if I do not have to run,
Mm.
but we beat our team, we beat our opponent,
Mm.
that will always be a possibility.
Sir, why?
Wherever I am.
Yes. Sir, why is it it's Mike Rama who is always doing the ultimate sacrifice? Last time, ikaw gihapon. Karon ikaw
Done.
na sad. Dili day pwede mo sacrifice ang uban.
Ako mo sakripisyo sila, malipay sad ko ana.
Oh.
Kung managinganlan og
Mm.
they will see politics with pragmatism. I call it pragmatism.
Mm.
Because ang akong description ko dong, I call myself as kanang gingalan PPS.
Mm.
Bako sa PPS,
Unsa na?
Pragmatic Public
And
Servant.
Vice Mayor Michael Rama, sir, salamat kaayo gid sa imong oras nga gigahin diri sa atuang internet show.
The Not So Late Show with Jason Monteclar.